Hello viewers, welcome to JSM. In this lecture, I am going to discuss how to charge a body by induction method. So in the previous lecture, we discussed how to charge a body by the friction method and also by the conduction method. So this is the third method and last method. So here, in this method, we take a charged body, okay, which has already charged, and we take another neutral body, and when they are close to each other, okay, when they are close to each other, this neutral body also becomes a charged body. Okay, so that we discuss with example very easily, so to understand this. So here we have a metal sphere. Okay, so we have a metal sphere which is neutral. Okay, so this is neutral and it is present on a insulated stand. Okay, so now here when we bring a charged body close to this, okay, so that is, see here, it is, suppose it is negatively charged. Okay, so negatively charged ebonite rod we are taking. Okay, so it has excess of electrons. Okay, so now this is the neutral one and this is the charged one. See here, we are not touching these two, they are not in contact. In the previous method, that is the charging by conduction, a neutral body and charged body, they are in contact with each other, but here they are not in direct contact. That is the difference between that method and this method. So here this is close to this one. Now what happens is that, see here, in this metal sphere also, even though it is neutral, it has protons and electrons but in equal number, right? Okay, so now what happens when the negative charge come close to this one? So here already some electrons are present in this sphere, right? Okay, so there exists a repulsion between this excess electrons and the electrons present on this metal sphere when they are close to each other, because both are same charged. Okay, so now what happens? See, on this metal sphere, see, like this, positive charges are present in this side and negative charges are present like this. Okay, so polarization is taking place here. Okay, so what is happening? See, this is close to this one only. So now, so these are the negative charges are present here. Okay, so now see here, there is an attraction between the negative charge and positive charge, and there is a repulsion between the negative charge and negative charge. So what is happening? Negative charge is going away from this body, charged body, and positive charge is here. Okay, so now what we do is that this is connected to a ground. Okay, so this is connected to ground by using a wire. Okay, so this is called as a grounding wire. Okay, so this is grounding wire. Okay, so what is this? Earth. Okay, so now what happens? See, these electrons, excess of electron, they transfer to the earth because earth can take any number of charge, right? Okay, so now what is happening? These are transferred to the ground or earth by using this grounding wire. Okay, so finally what happens here? If you observe this at the end, okay, so now this metal sphere has a net positive charge on it, like this. Okay, so positive charge is present on the sphere because this negative charge is transferred to the ground, so it has a positive charge. So finally, this metal sphere got positive charge. Okay, so neutral body, now it is charged. Clear? Okay, so now here in this one we can do by using positively charged body also. Okay, so we can take the positively charged body also, same concept. First, what is happening here? Charge separation, nothing but polarization, right? Okay, what is this? This is called polarization. Okay, that we discuss in the upcoming lectures in detail. So here after that, this is connected to the ground and this electrons transferred here. So finally this metal sphere got positive charge. Okay, so this is how we can charge a neutral body by the induction method without touching a charged body. Okay, and one more thing here, very important thing is that suppose if it is an insulator, see this metal plate is a conductor. Suppose if you take an insulator here, what happens? Just polarization take place. Okay, if this is insulated body, okay, in that case just polarization takes place. But if we have insulated body, we cannot get like this net positive charge or net negative charge is not possible. Only we can polarize these charges, that's all. That's only possible if it is an insulator. Okay, but if it is a conductor, definitely we can get either positive charge or negative charge for that body, but insulator only polarization. Okay, this we can do in another way also. Here we have a charged body which is in close contact with. Now let us see another way how we can charge a body by the induction. Suppose we have a charged body and this is close to a neutral body. Okay, so now what happens when this charged body is close to the neutral body? So here also same, see here polarization takes place. Okay, so negative charge come like this and positive charge is present here. Okay, so what is the reason? Same, just now we discussed, due to the repulsions this is going away from this charged body and this is positive charge is left here. Remember that, once again I am telling, already we discussed in the previous lectures also, only electron can transfer. Okay, so electron is only moving, positive charge remain at that place only. Okay, so here electrons are going away from this negative charge. Okay, now here what we will do is that, let us take a body, another body, suppose consider this one as X and it is Y. Okay, so here we have a body. Now this is also neutral. Okay, so this is also a neutral one. Now what happens? This negative charge transfers to this body. Okay, negative charge transfers to this body. Okay, so that reasons already we discussed in the previous lecture also. Now see, this is conduction. Okay, charging by conduction. So this body is getting charge when it is in contact this one, due to the transfer of negative charge here. Okay, so see, overall we are discussing induction. This is another way how to charge a body in the induction. Actually here see, these two are not in contact, right? Okay, but these two are in contact, don't confuse here. So here now finally, if we remove this one after some time, what happens? So here see, this will remain as it is like this only, we should keep it. Don't touch this one and don't do anything to this. Okay, just keep it as it is. Now we are separating these two bodies. Okay, we are separating these two bodies. Now what happens? See here, this is X and this is Y. Okay, so now see here, this X, this now has a net positive charge and this Y has a net negative charge. What is the reason? Here charge transferred from here to here, so that's why this X, this body left with a net positive charge and Y body is getting net negative charge. Okay, so like this we can charge a neutral body by using induction method. This is another way how to charge. Okay, so clear. One thing here you should observe in every case, what is happening, only electron is transferring from one body to another body, remember that. Okay, so these are all the basic topics till now which we discussed. Okay, so properties of charge we discussed, how to charge a body we discussed. In the next lecture we are going to start a very important concept, that is Coulomb's law. Okay, thank you for watching.